Some of the things that we have a very, very different look at are stents. About 90% of stents are done to prevent a heart attack. If you look at the Orbiter trial, the Courage trial, the ischemia trials, they make it pretty clear that stents don't prevent heart attacks, despite what your interventional cardiologist may believe. And again, as I said, I may sound like one of those crazy internet docs, but these studies, this science was very well respected. These things were published in the leading journals in the world for medicine, the New England Journal, JAMA, Journal of the AMA, LANCET. Big journals. If you have more interest in that space, look these up on my videos. Does stents prevent heart attacks? Now, every time I mention that, I get people that say, wait a minute, that stent stopped my chest pain. I've seen stents where they clearly did look like they stopped chest pain. I'm not really talking about that. The evidence is very, very clear. If you are having a heart attack, quite often a stent is a perfect treatment for it. Quite often they can actually remove the clot with a stent placement. So stents can save lives. But let me go back to what I originally said. I'm not saying a stent's not going to get rid of your chest pain. I'm not saying a stent is not going to save you from a heart attack. What I said was stents don't prevent heart attacks. And guess what? 90% of stents are placed to prevent a heart attack.